Hi everyone, welcome to Butler English. I am Prajwal Nagraj. Before entering to the topic, a few words to the people who lost someone in this corona pandemic. A small story. Once upon a time, a boy was building a castle near the beach. It was so beautiful, everyone appreciated him, and his father was also proud of his son. But at one time, a wave hit the castle and castle destroyed. The son cried so much that his beautiful work has left him, but his dad didn't, because his dad knows at one time a wave hits the castle and castle falls. Same thing in the life, everyone should die at one time. Life is like a coin. At one side a good times and other side a bad times. Now for someone it is bad times, but good times is waiting for its turn. You have to wait for it. In this bad time, you can take a good thing, that is making a resolution in the name of the person who left you. A resolution like looking after your family, or building your dreams, or working hard in studies, or something like that. Whenever you feel like quitting it, or bored about this, you can remember the person who left you. The person who left you wants to see you very successful in life and always smiling. So for that, you have to live successfully. Okay, let's enter to the topic. In this world, there are two types of people. One, if someone ignores them, or someone insults them, or someone mocks at them, they will just ignore. And other type of people, if someone make fun of them or someone criticize them, they will show who they are. The person I am talking in this video, the second type, is Mr. Francisco Lamborghini, the founder of Lamborghini. He was born in Italy in a poor family. His father and mother were farmers in a vineyard. In that time there was an industrial revolution where every farmers were shifting to machines, left from cows and plows to tractors. He got interested in that machines and he studied the topic very well, and he grew up and he got married. It was good time for him, but in life bad time also happens. The bad time came to him, that is World War. In Italy there is a rule that everyone should participate in World War, and he also participated in that. He got a job of repairing machineries and war vehicles. He got paid for it, but unfortunately his country Italy failed, lost the war, and America won. In that, America captured his family and everyone in that country. His wife died in that. It was so tragic for him. After this World War, he came out of bad times, bad things, and he started his company of manufacturing tractors. His main goal is to supply tractors of cheap rate. If the tractors are 1 crore, he was just giving for 1 lakh. He was successful in that because he was manufacturing the tractors in the parts left in the war field, the debris, the damage, the remaining parts of the war machines left in the war field. He took that and he was manufacturing the tractors in that and supplying it for every farmers. Every farmers were very proud of him, because it was very nice. And he was a car craze guy. After succeeding in this business, he bought a car, that is Ferrari. In those time car field, Ferrari ranked number 1. So he bought that car, and after spending that much of money, he found some problem in that clutch, and he informed to many mechanics, but mechanics just ignored it. And then he got a chance to meet Mr. Enzo Ferrari, the owner of Ferrari, and he told his problems and he gave feedback about his car. But Enzo Ferrari replied very badly. It was so embarrassing to him. That is, he said, "You are just a tractor driver, you are advising me, you are telling me, go to your village and just manufacture tractors." Like that, something he told very badly, and he felt, Mr. Lamborghini felt very bad, and he replied that, "I will build a car company and I will show you how to manufacture a car." And he went back to his village and started manufacturing. But after hearing his words, Enzo Ferrari got angry. Ferrari company was also supplying some tires. The tractors, the Lamborghini was manufacturing tractors, and it was buying tires from Ferrari company. Enzo Ferrari got angry and started supplying very cheap quality tires for expensive rate. After 1 month, Francisco Lamborghini got many complaints from customers that tires are not right, tires are not nice, you have to change. So he analyzed it. He came to know that Ferrari was doing all this, and he got very angry. He took his car and went to Ferrari's company. The Ferrari's company, in those time, the ground floor meant for parking for employees and other peoples. The first floor is only meant for owner. He has only permission to park his car in the first floor. But Francisco Lamborghini took his car and directly landed on the first floor. And with angrily, he said that from this day I will take the manufacturing car as my lifetime goal, and I will succeed in that, and I will teach you a lesson. And everyone around him laughed at him because his dream was very big. Everyone said you can't do it. But he went back to his village and started, and he was very working hard, and finally he finished the car design. But he had not kept engine inside it. But there came, unfortunately, the exhibition, the car show came. He had not finished his full car, he had not kept engine inside it. He had to show his car in that exhibition. He had to showcase his car, but he had not full finished the car, so he kept some bricks inside it. In that exhibition, no one will drive the car, just they will see. So he showed his car in that exhibition. This is the day his life changed. Everyone was impressed about his car. It was in the world, every people were talking about this car because this car was so completely different. Its shape, everything different from. You can see that car was very flat and very superb, nice fashion, and everyone impressed about his car. After a few months, his car company got ranked first, and Ferrari became second. He got more profit. He succeeded in that. This is the moment when Francisco Lamborghini meet the Enzo Ferrari. Just a smile. It is the world's best moment. He was waiting for that moment. He replied with his actions very well. And after this, he sold his company, and in that money he donated to some trust, and he went back to his village and started farming what his father was doing before, and he led a simple life. I want to say you that he done all this just to teach him a lesson. In our life, every people have some dreams, but if someone talk negatively or someone said you can't do it, we will leave the dreams and do some other job that we don't love. And after becoming old, we will regret for that. So, in life, he done just to teach him a lesson. But in our life, we have the dreams. So, we have to work for it and will become succeed in that. He can do it, we can also do it. He is a human, we are the humans. Everyone in this world, if they have a dream and if they struggle for it, they stand. Every time they fail, they will succeed in that life. This is what I want to say you. If you want like these useful videos, subscribe to my channel and you can click the bell icon for not missing any videos. Okay, fine. With the new update, I will meet you next Sunday. Till that time, keep listening. Take care. Bye bye. Peace.